Hey guys, welcome to MathJoy. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression 2 minus 2 times 3 minus 1. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. In this expression, we have one subtraction, one multiplication, and one parenthesis. According to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. We first do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. Okay, so parentheses has higher priority than other operations. So first we have to handle these parentheses. 3 minus 1 gives us 2. So we have 2 minus 2, then times 2. Now we have one subtraction and one multiplication. According to this rule, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. So first we have to do this multiplication. 2 times 2 equals 4. So 2 minus 4, which equals negative 2. So our final answer to this problem is just negative 2.